Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see the price has started the week with this candle, forming this bearish breakout to indicate further decline in value. But the next day the price has invalidated this bearish breakout as a valid one and formed this bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, which has continued to rise all the way to the next resistance level at 2653.45. This information has been shared inside the premium analysis with traders, so they are informed about how the price will behave. And we can see the price has formed this bearish candle from this area of resistance and bouncing back down. Currently the price is in between this area of resistance, this area of support. Week has closed as a bullish candle, and we can see this is some kind of candle formation which is indicating a rise in value. We will see how the price will behave around this area 2653, a very important resistance level which we need to be broken in order to continue to rise in value going further up. So for now the week has formed this bullish candle body with a wick on the upper side and the lower side, and the monthly time frame is showing me that we are just started, so we will not make any conclusions, but the previous month previous two months shows us that there is a potential for the price to go to the lower time frame, to the lower price levels, which will be 2550 as the next one, as a target. Will it happen? The daily time frame is very important to watch, but the monthly time frame shows me that there is a room for the price to go down. Now the daily time frame is very important to see the price going above this area of resistance 2653.45 in order to go to the higher price levels, and that means first of all this one 2680 as the first target if the price managed to go above again, forming a bullish breakout. But we can see that the price is going down in between this area of resistance support, so there is a space for the price to go further down and reaching the first area of support. So we'll see how the price behaves around this area of support and the resistance, how the price will manage. Especially 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame are very important ones. So we can see, what I can see currently is the 2634.86 is the first target for the price to form some kind of bullish signal for the bounce or bearish breakout going below that, targeting 2618.75. We'll see how the price behave on a Monday, first day of the week, and also on the lower time frames, which will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed on time how the price behaves and also what is the next direction for as a target. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.